Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by loading the full mix into Logic Pro X and locking tempo if you know it. This gives stable pitch detection. Solo a phrase that contains melody or sustained notes and set a tight loop region so your ear focuses. Once looped, enable flex time or transient detection to prevent pitch warping, then open the tuner and use Smart Controls metering for initial pitch clusters. This fast first pass narrows candidates before formal analysis. You now isolate the melody band with a narrow EQ sweep around 200 to 2,000 Hz to make pitch readings cleaner. This reduces bass and cymbal confusion. Once isolated, cycle through the tuner while adjusting vara speed or apply gentle pitch correction to stabilize notes so you can see recurring pitch classes. After you spot likely candidates, add a software instrument and play those root notes over the loop to validate which note feels like home and confirms the tonal center. You conclude by confirming the mode. Build or play the tonic triad and then the likely minor/major variants. If melody resolves to 1 and uses a natural 3, Eta Euro straight S major, a flat 3 points to minor. Once done, test relative keys, major versus relative minor, and scan chord functions like dominant to confirm harmonic center. If results conflict, make sure sample rate and tempo are correct and temporary pitch shifting, or incorrect flex settings, Arena Euro straight T altering notes. Retest after fixing those issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.